Hey guys, hope you had a good day. So this is the view, the night view. I really had a tiring day. I just went to the They say before you start a new chapter, you need to have the proper closure from your past. Let not your past blackmail your present, so that it gonna ruin your bright future. So hello guys, this is your captain speaking. You're on Farmadeep. Welcome to the world of Farmadeep. And this is Sabha 12 baje. So it's 12:15 p.m. and I need to go to the airport. मेरो फ्लाइट चाहिँ 3:10 मा छ. So I'll take the cab and leave in a while so that I can be at the airport around 1 p.m. अनि मसँग अलमोस्ट 2 घन्टा हुन्छ किनभने मैले अनलाइन चेक-इनहरु गरिसकेको छ. द्याट्स वाइ इट्स क्वाइट इजियर फर मी. चेक-इनमा त्यस्तो टाइम लाग्दैन होला. सो आई एम अलमोस्ट रेडी. अब म कहाँ गइरहेको छु, कस्तो एक्सपिरियन्स हुन्छ मेरो फ्लाइटमा, के कस्तो हुन्छ, I'll show you in the vlog. So stay tuned guys. अनि it's the time to say goodbye to my roommates. Thank you for always being there for me, for helping me out. So finally, almost after 2 years, not the exact 2 years, but almost पौने 2 वर्षपछि I am again at this Tribhuvan International Airport. 2024 को मार्चमा पनि I was here for Goa, and it's a bit unreal feeling हैन, हल्का इमोसनल भइरहेको छु that I'm traveling again internationally. So I'm feeling lucky. So finally I'm at the international airport को departure मा छु. Almost after 2 years I'm here back again. I can't believe कि म internationally फेरि travel गर्न गइरहेको छु. So it's a unreal feeling, but life हो, everything happen unexpectedly. जतिखेर तपाईको कुनै एक्सपेक्टेसन हुँदैन त्यतिखेर नै लाइफ happens. So yeah, I'm at the airport. Too much chaos. अब हेरौँ के हुन्छ. Let's see. म भित्र गएर तपाईहरुलाई अपडेट दिने नै छु. Till then, stay tuned guys. So finally I got my ticket and I'm going for the immigration. Let's see के हुन्छ. So done with my immigration. Now I'm going for the security check-in. अब security check-in भएपछि I'll be ready for boarding the flight. So stay tuned guys. मजा आइरहेछ. It's a surreal feeling. Again after 2 years I'm doing it. मजा आइरहेछ. गोवा पनि यस्तै भएको थियो security check-in हुँदैन. अनि अहिले पनि I'm experiencing it. So it's fun. मजा आउँछ. I'm not nervous, I'm excited now. बल्ल मेरो एक्साइटमेन्ट स्टार्ट भइरहेछ के. हिजोदेखि म नर्भस थिएँ, but now I'm very much charged up and I'm excited for my trip and I'm enjoying. Okay, I'm done with my security check-in. So सबै 1 बजिरहेछ. I have still 2 hours left. मेरो फ्लाइट बोर्ड हुनको लागि 2 घन्टा बाँकी छ. So मजा आइरहेछ. छिटो सब काम सकिरहेछ. अब गएर वेट मात्र गर्ने हो फ्लाइट बोर्डिङको लागि. So stay tuned guys. I'm done with everything. I'm ready to board the flight. अब 2 घन्टा वेट गरेपछि I'll be boarding the flight. मजा आइरहेछ यार.
यात्रु दिनेश थापा, यात्रु युवराज मोक्तान,
So मैले चाहिँ गेट नम्बर 6 बाट बोर्डिङ गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ अनि which is right in front of me. म चाहिँ अब तपाईहरुलाई देखाउने छु. So that's gate number 6 जहाँबाट मैले बोर्डिङ गर्नुपर्ने हो. अनि देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ एयरपोर्टको भिड त्यति पनि धेरै भिड छैन, ठिकठाक छ. which is pretty okay किनभने मसँग स्टिल 2 घन्टा टाइम छ. मेरो 2 घन्टा पछि बोर्डिङ गर्नुपर्ने हो. सो अब मैले 2 घन्टा के गरेर बिताउँछु I don't know. Maybe I'll watch some video. So stay tuned guys. So I just met one of my friends. I know him from my college days. अनि यतिखेर चाहिँ 11:30 बजिरहेछ अनि 2:30 देखि बोर्डिङ स्टार्ट हुन्छ, फ्लाइटको बोर्डिङ स्टार्ट हुन्छ. So I have still 1 hour left, so I'll be joining my friends. अनि 1 घन्टा पछि बोर्डिङ स्टार्ट हुन्छ अनि मेरो फ्लाइटको टाइम चाहिँ 3:10 हो. So I'm pretty much excited, happy, little bit anxious, not anxious, little bit nervous, but overall it's a happy feeling. that I'm going to travel my second international trip. So मजा आइरहेछ. Stay tuned guys. अनि अब चाहिँ म गएर कफी सेक्सनमा जान्छु अनि I'll have coffee. So stay tuned guys. Okay, I'll have my coffee here.
कृपया ध्यान यात्रु मिङमा छिरिङ शेर्पा यात्रु मिङमा छिरिङ शेर्पा.
Honestly, I'm tired of waiting and waiting. So चाहिँ आधा घन्टा बाँकी छ. Flight 14 start हुन. I'm really tired. Tired of याक bro. एक्लै ट्राभल गर्दा पनि यही बेफाइदा हो के. त्यसो त consequences of traveling alone. But it's okay. I'll go through it. Killing my boredom with this random video, filming random stuffs. Gate number 6, when will you open? And what's it off? No, I can't wait. I'm freaking bored. Okay, let's kill the boredom by giving you the sneak peek of my outfit. It's the time for outfit check. My OOTD / airport look outfit of the day. This is how I am looking right now. All in black, like black hoodie, black jeans, which is not ripped, but I have cut my jeans to make it look like ripped. So yeah, मैले आफैले काटेर ripped jeans बनाउँछु. And black जुत्ता, black hoodie, black jeans, and high neck, and this black headband because my hair is looking messy. That's why I'm using this headband. अझै 10-15 मिनट बाँकी छ बोर्डिङ स्टार्ट हुन. सो फाइनल एकचोटि एयरपोर्टको भ्यू देखाम, त्यसपछि हामी डाइरेक्ट गएर प्लेनमै भेट्नेछौँ. सो स्टे ट्युन्ड गाइज. बाइ द वे तपाईँहरू गेस गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ म कहाँ गइरहेछु भनेर. सो म एउटा हिन्ट दिन चाहन्छु. हिन्ट के हो भने एभ्री ब्याचलर गाई वान्ट टु गो टु द्याट प्लेस के. हरेक ब्याचलर गाई अर मेबी गर्ल्स want to go to that place once in their life. So that's the hint for you guys. So stay tuned. That's AirAsia FD183. I'm traveling by this airline. So final goodbye to Tribhuvan International Airport. Yeah, international departure. Okay, so finally boarding into the plane. Swadika. Pretty girls. So finally I am on my seat 23B and the plane will take off in a while. That's my seat. Very early but it's in I don't know, but I don't want anyone to be around me so that I will film it without hesitation. So stay tuned guys. I'll see you at the airport. Kun airport, I'll let you know once I land there. Hey guys, so here's Noah. He is from Israel and he was in Nepal for his trekking. So how's the experience? Can you please say your experience?
Nepal is amazing. The people is really nice, really kind, you know. My Dandara Annapurna circuit was pleasure. You know, the views here, it's something that you can imagine with words.
Yeah, you can't describe it in words.
In one word,
Yes.
sensational.
So do you have any plans of coming back again for another trek?
I want to do the Everest trek and also to be more few days in Pokhara. Pokhara is a beautiful city. Ton of things to do there. And what else? Yes, I want to do the Everest trek.
It was lovely meeting you, man.
What?
It was lovely meeting you.
Love to meet you too. Love from Israel.
Love from Nepal.
I did.
Yeah.
Yalla balagan, big balagan.
No, I'm just recording. Hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Hi.
Ask you to subscribe to my channel.
So finally we have landed at the airport.
Let's go.
Okay.
We
Enjoy in Bangkok, bro.
will unlate you. And don't go to Lady Boys.
Okay, you also don't go to Lady Boys.
Bro,
bro. Enjoy Lady Boys, bro.
Stop it. Stop it.
Enjoy it, bro.
Stop bullying me.
I'm not bullying you, bro.
Bro, you bullying me.
No, bro. I'm just motivating you to just go and experiment with the Lady Boys, bro.
Stop.
Bro, you should.
Stop.
Yeah, bro. You should.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, I will see you there.
Okay, bro.
Stop. No, okay.
Okay, bro. Okay, bro. Finally, मुस्कुराइए आप बैंकॉक में आइलैंड में हैं. So finally, yes, I was traveling to Bangkok. So what Thailand also Bangkok. I'll be here for 11 days. So यहाँ के कुछ activities गर्छु म. I'll be showing. So stay tuned, guys. अनि मेरो फ्लाइट चाहिँ ल्यान्ड भइसकेको छ. As you can all see this. I had few friends. I met few Israeli friends. We had fun in the flight. मजा आयो. So अब चाहिँ फेरि यहाँको सब प्रोसिजर सकेपछि म तपाईँहरूलाई. Okay, now I'll get the free Wi-Fi from the immigration. So finally I have landed at the Bangkok airport, Don Mueang airport. म चाहिँ उताबाट प्लेनमा 3:40 तिर टेकअप गरेको छ प्लेनले. आई मिन म प्लेनमा चाहिँ 3:40 तिर गएको थिएँ अनि यहाँ चाहिँ अहिले 8 बजीतिर ल्यान्ड भएको थियो अनि इट्स 8:50 now. I'm done with my immigration and all. As you can see this, the queues in the airport. I had good time in the flight. I met few Israeli friends जो चाहिँ काठमाडौँ आएको थियो ट्रेकिङको लागि. So it was fun in the flight and I'm here for 10 more days. So अब 10 दिन के गर्छु म तपाईँहरूलाई देखाउने नै छु. So stay tuned, guys. By the way, तपाईँ देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ ओप्पोको एडभर्टाइजमेन्ट here. So stay tuned, guys. अब चाहिँ मेरो एकछिनमा मेरो साथी आइरहेछ मलाई पिकअप गर्न अनि अहिले चाहिँ अलमोस्ट 9 बजिसक्यो. सो हेरौँ अब के गर्न मिल्छ आज केही गर्न नमिले पनि म तपाईँहरूलाई भोलिदेखि मेरो एक्टिभिटिजहरू ब्याङ्ककमा देखाइ नै रहेको हुन्छु. सो स्टे ट्युन, गाइज. I'll give you all the update from the Bangkok. So stay tuned. I think finally you can see someone nangu pangu like me in the background. मैले पनि गोवामा हाफ प्यान्ट र गन्जीमा घुमिरहेको थिएँ बट दिस टाइम आइएम प्रिटी मच डिसेन्ट वेयरिङ हुडिज एन्ड माई जिन्स. यु क्यान सी दिस. या वेटिङ फर माई फ्रेन्ड्स टु कम. ओके, दिस वान इज द बस स्टेसन एट दिस Bangkok airport, Don Mueang, and we are taking the bus from here to our Airbnb. It will take around 45 or 50 minutes. So after reaching the Airbnb, I'll show you how it is. So stay tuned, guys. It's almost 10:15 and I'm really exhausted. You can see another bus. So stay tuned, guys. So this bus is more like a साझा यातायात जस्तो हाम्रो नेपालमा साझा यातायात हुन्छ त्यस्तै यहाँ छ. यहाँको टिकटिङ प्रोसेस पनि डिफ्रेन्ट छ. तपाईँहरू टिकटको लागि के कस्तो गर्नुपर्छ I'll show you. Yeah, पैसा लिएर I don't know what they are doing, but just दिनपछि I'll figure out. So stay tuned. After figuring out, I'll explain the entire procedure of how to get the ticket. Okay, this is the bus ticket for 100 baht. 2 जनाको लागि 100 baht अरे. And we are leaving the airport. You all know कि I was in hoodie at the airport. गाडीको कारणले गर्दा I had to remove my hoodie, as you can see here. So अब चाहिँ म यहाँ गन्जीमा घुम्छु. And this is the real me, going everywhere in Ganji in light clothes because I hate cold as well as I hate the hot weather as well. So dinner में चाहिँ मैले chicken thigh pat खाएँ and it was really good. Like it was tasty, it was light, it was not that heavy dinner. So it's almost 11:30 बजिरहेछ. अब चाहिँ यहाँबाट हामी गाडी चढेर डाइरेक्ट एयरबिएनबीमा जान्छौँ. So आजको लागि I'm very much exhausted. So it's the time to say goodbye to today. So here's your captain signing up from the vlog, guys. Thank you for watching the video. I'll be back with interesting vlog. So stay tuned and good night, guys. Take care. Okay, this is the Airbnb where we gonna be staying. since school, but यसको detailed tour चाहिँ म पछि दिन्छु होला because I'm very exhausted. So we are going on the 19th floor. अब जाने बित्तिकै सुत्नुपर्छ. So I'm really tired. It's almost 1 a.m. at night, 4th of December. Merry Christmas, guys. Good night.